Hi class, I wanted to spend a few minutes talking about each of the case studies because there seems to be a problem sometimes with students reading all the requirements. So I thought I would quickly walk through each of the case studies, and so I'll start with case study 1. For each of the case studies which are attached under the assignments, the case study will start off with some background information. In this case, the case study has to do with teamwork. And so there will be, as part of this assignment, something to read. There is a questionnaire for you to complete, and some questions that I'm asking you to do, providing an illustration of the different characteristics. So when you see each case study, they should be pretty much the same. They will define the objectives of the particular case study. In this case, understand your current state of readiness to be a good team member by looking at skills, and then to understand the characteristics of effective teamwork in the workplace. So for the tasks, you will review the elements of teamwork. It's an inventory of skills. You complete the survey. You'll answer questions about the survey. You'll read the short article on characteristics of effective teamwork. And then for each of the 5 characteristics listed, you will provide an illustration that demonstrates your understanding of each of these 5 characteristics. And this should be done in your own words with your own examples. In addition, a few other notes on the back on each of the case studies is some words about how this work should be done. So it should be typed in Word or another type of Word document, or you can attach a PDF, that's fine. You should be spelling checking and grammar checking. You need to upload it into the Dropbox. I will not accept any assignments on email. And all work is to be your own. You are not to copy this from anyone or share this information with anyone. So I hope that provides a description of the actual case study. In addition, just to show you, this is the 5 characteristics of effective teamwork, where it goes through and it briefly talks about each of these characteristics. And then also we have the survey of skills, which you will take. And this is for really your own benefit, so be honest on how you answer the survey. If you have any questions about this assignment, please get in touch with me, let me know, but I will be expecting you to deliver all of the deliverables I have listed for you to get 100% on this assignment. Thank you very much.